In this video,
we will learn how to publish a map in Fortnite. In order to publish a map in Fortnite, firstly you need to head into Creative. So from the Game Selection tab by Epic, you need to maximize it, and in here you will find the Creative Game Mode. Left click on Creative, then click on Select. After clicking on the Creative selection, just click on the play button and you will be redirected to the Creative Game Mode. After opening up the Creative Game Mode, all you need to do is head to the console from here. Press E to use the console. Now left click on the island that you want to publish and click on Set Portal. Now you will be redirected to the island you set your portal to. Now all you need to do is just hop into this portal. After that, you will be going down into the map that you want to publish. So after you are down in here, all you need to do is press escape. From here, click on island settings. From in here, you will find an option called publish island. All you need to do is just left click on that publish island option and your island will be published, and anyone with the island code can play it. So this is how you can easily publish your map in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.